must be a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when back when we had it easy. Now you don't believe me when I say.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do a watermelon makeup inspired makeup look. What is it? Watermelon makeup inspired eye look. So I did film it last week, and it literally, guys, deleted. Like, it just, as I'm filming, it just deleted. I don't know why, I don't know what happened, it just deleted. So I literally had to film it all over again, and it came out so nice, guys, and I'm like, darn it. So here I am filming it again. So I already did my makeup. Mind me, because I have a mirror here, mirror there, and a mirror here. So don't mind me if I'm looking there, if I'm looking here, if I'm looking here. Bear with me, bear with me. I already did my face, brows, bronzer, all that good stuff off camera, just so it doesn't take forever, this video. I just want to do like a quick little video. Yeah, guys, and let's just get started. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, become part of the butterfly family, turn on your post notifications so you never miss any future videos. I will definitely leave everything linked down below in the description box so you guys know exactly what I use. But of course, when you do makeup looks, you can use any palette that you have, as long as you have the colors that you need, and you are fine. Perfect, fine. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love the way it came out. Really pretty, really nice. It's annoying because the first time that I did it, it came out so much better. It was just so pretty. I feel like this time it took me a little longer because I was like overthinking it. But anyways guys, I love the way it came out. It's so pretty. Earlier I was eating watermelon the other day and I'm like, I should do like a watermelon makeup inspired makeup look because I love watermelon, especially in the summer. It's so hydrating and I love it. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little watermelon makeup look. I know here it looks a little crazy. I will leave all the products that I use in the description down below so you guys can check it out. Also have these nice little lashes. They're from Ion 3D Fox Mink lashes, Natural Life Wispies, 100% handmade, which I really love. I got these literally at NYX, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie. They're so pretty, like they're like kind of like natural, and I love them. They're like natural but really nice. So yeah guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and don't forget to become part of the butterfly family. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any future videos. So yeah guys, and like I always say, God bless you.